Hello and welcome to part 3 of the tutorial series for the Slough Volunteers website. So if you remember from last time, we went through the first few menus on the left. We got down as far as here. So now we're on to the community menu. So the difference here is the way they're organised. This is the personal menu. So these are menus which relate to the individual, and these are menus that relate to the community as a whole. So the first one then is member activities. Basically this is a list of activities that have gone on the site, so you can see what new events have been created, what gallery images have been set, what videos have been uploaded or linked to, what groups have been created, events, videos, logos, all this type of stuff by each of the different members. So if you know your activity feed on Facebook, it's just like that. Okay. Members walls. So what I did is when you set up a new account, we set up a wall for each new member. So my wall, and then basically these are the equivalent of status updates in Facebook. Okay, so I made an update, it's been a good day, and then what you see is all the different responses, all from me I think, commenting on my own stuff, but this is a good thing. We need good days from time to time, and I linked a video in and stuff like that. So if you think Facebook, and then that's basically what this is like, this wall mechanism. It's a forum that I've adapted to be a wall basically, and then you can, if you explore it, you'll find out all the different features. There's some rules that go with it, just basic etiquette and things like that, and also well, that's it really. So then the next thing is the list of members. So it's just me and Test on here at the moment, but given 100 members, there'd be 100 members listed there. These are the members that are online. So just me online at the moment. Like I say, give another 5 members online, they'd all be listed there. Offline members, similar concept. Social groups. So this is a list of the social groups. So we've got a group for volunteering, we've got a video vault group, which is a group which just has general videos that they recommend to each other, and then there's a social events group. So if I click on volunteering, these are categories, okay? Then within the volunteering category there's a group for the Wave project that I set up, and that's it basically. And then you can write on the wall and do various other things within the Wave project. So you can upload photos, videos, files. You can create events for the group. So if Wave's having an event, you just create the event there. You can see who's members of it, and you can invite other people to join. Okay, so that's social groups. Social events is very similar, but we just have a list of events. So I've set up various events here, test events. One at Slough Library, you just click it and it brings up that. Socialities. This is a whole list of different features on the site basically. I'll leave you to go through those in your own time. Okay. And this is the main message board. So you get these 3 different parts to it. Support zone, suggestion box and a welcome map. And then the rest of it is just the walls here. Community awards. This is just a list of the different awards people have been given, so you can click there and you can see that I gave myself 1 award for website building. I think this is all fairly straightforward, isn't it? I hope. Shout outs, that's just a general area to make a shout out. So you click your message box and you put in there, here I am, and you hit the enter key, and then you can see there, doesn't give the date, so we don't know how long ago these were in terms of date, but it does give a time. So actually if you actually click it, it does give you the date, the 6th, the 8th to the 6th. Okay. And so that is that part. And then community adverts. The community adverts are here, and you can see that my mobile phone is listed. So, you know, if you've got DVDs you don't want anymore, put them on here, and then somebody might want them, you just give them to them. That way we get less wastage even, because things can be reused. Send an e-card. Basically there's a whole bunch of e-cards for the different festivals of the year, or the ones I've set up anyway: anniversary, birthday, Christmas, Easter, Valentine's. And you to send a card, you click on it and fill it in and click send. So should we fill one in? Peter, email address, hi, happy birthday, love you, and recipient name, well, whoever, and then email address, foobar@yahoo.com, and then you can preview it. And you click show front. Not sure why that's not showing up. Seems to have gone a bit. Maybe it doesn't like. Let's put a proper name. Let's send it to myself. Well, anyway, that's not working, but I will try and get it working. I haven't used that for months, so something's gone wrong there. I'll try and get that feature working so that it's in the main site. If it's disappeared, it's because I couldn't fix whatever's happening there. Alright, so Geomunity. This is the same. So you set your location on your profile, and then your location icons appear here. Right, so that's what that's about. And then you can see where everyone is. So like I was saying, if you're in Paris, you can see who's nearby. And you can, doesn't quite display properly, but you can zoom in. Yeah. And so then that's Geomunity. Then there's a little thing, improve Slough Town. And that basically is where you can issue ideas about what needs to be sorted in Slough. So if you find there's a pothole in the road, just put it on here, and then if it gets votes, so if 20-30 people vote for it, then that becomes the top issue, and then the site people who administer the site can then report it to the volunteer centre, and they can report it to the council or whoever. That's the idea. So you do report an issue, and I think that's fairly obvious what it's about. It's just a general category, and you report it, and then people vote on it. Okay. And then community fun quizzes. Sample quiz. This is what I was talking about with the quiz and that. So you just click continue, and oh, I've already completed that quiz by the looks of it. Oh, I didn't pass it either. 0 out of 3. Oh, never mind. But anyway, you get asked questions in the quiz, and it gives you a report. So that's the time that you have. So what is the capital of Portugal? You have to get the spelling correct, obviously, or it will mark the question wrong. And then you click save. Which of the following are pets? Dog and cat. Save. What is 10 plus 4? 14. And there you have it. 3 out of 3. Not bad, eh? And then you can email that result to yourself or have it printed out. But basically, the system records your results. So if we do a quiz of 50, 100 questions, then we can see who's scored what. I mean, obviously, if people want to write quizzes, they've got the internet to look up the answers, but and there's, it's not invigilated or anything. It's just supposed to be fun, and we just have to trust people's honesty that they'll do the quizzes without looking up the answers online. So, but that's part of life now, so that's it. Okay, so thank you for listening to part 3, and I'll see you in part 4 for the next instalment, which will be about blogging and the community resources area. And an idea I had for Slough, which I think is very, very needed, because there's so much confusion right now that something has to be sorted out. And then after that we'll go down the right hand side, and that'll be part 5, is it? Yeah, so there should be 5 parts in total. Okay, like I say, thanks for listening, and see you later. Bye.